Hi friend, you've probably seen me talking about the Freedom Finder mini map, the free download that helps you figure out what skills you already have that you could be monetizing. But today, I want to let you know that I also wrote a full book and companion workbook called Save Yourself, Turning Life Skills into Income. This bundle walks you step by step through discovering what you're already good at, skills you don't need a degree for, and you don't have to pay to learn. Things like making candles, cooking, baking, decorating cakes, giving good advice, creating AI avatars, styling friends, organizing, even budgeting. These are skills you've been doing for free, but now let's turn them into income. They're finally here. The Save Yourself book and workbook are officially live. I created this for women like me, and maybe like you, who are tired of struggling, tired of starting over, and ready to build something that actually supports them. If you're feeling stuck, this is your plan. Grab the free Freedom Finder mini map to start, then grab the full bundle and begin your comeback. Link in bio. You've got this.